Hey everyone, Abners Reviews here, and today we are checking out the NERF Digital Flip Target. So this is how our NERF Digital Flip Target should look like right here. So those targets right here, those are the gray ones right there, with the numbers on them. So as depicted here on the picture right there, you hit this one and it should flip out or flip in accordingly. And I think somewhere I read that the center right there is also a sort of a bullseye target. The yellow circle with the NERF logo right there in the center. So it says right there, it has an LCD display. I believe that's the one right there. It requires three 1.5 volts AAA batteries, not included. We have 3 game modes: flip out, reverse flip, and ultimate flip. So we'll find out more about those 3 game modes as we go along. So let us continue opening up our NERF Digital Flip Target. So here we have a user manual for the digital flip target right here, and of course our actual digital flip target right here. Make sure to read your manual right here, because in here you will find out what the 3 game modes mean. This manual really helps you to figure out those modes. Okay, so in terms of measurements, our NERF digital flip target measures 30 cm in height, 29 cm in width. The thickest part of the NERF digital target is its base, so this measures 8 cm. You can see that all the targets, 5 targets right here, are numbered 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So all of these can be flipped out like so, like that. So you can hit these targets from the inside, or you can also hit them from the outside like so. This circle right here with the NERF logo, this serves as our bullseye. The NERF logo on the center equals to 100 points. So that is the LCD display right there. And as you can see, there are buttons right there. That's the game buttons. This is game 1, GM1 as labeled, GM2, GM3 right there, and this is the start button. This is how it looks like from the back of our digital flip target. On the bottom of our digital flip target, this is where we will find the battery compartment at the center right here. We also have our on and off button right here, just beside it. So on the 4 corners of our digital flip target, we have small rubber feet placed equally right there. So those are our small rubber feet. So now we have to put in our 3X AAA batteries. So to open the battery compartment, you just have to remove one Phillips screw right there to open it. So that is our battery compartment right there. So now we have to put on our AAA batteries. We got our batteries in. Now we close our battery compartment. And there we go. So let us now focus on our LCD display, which is placed on the bottom of our digital flip target right here. So to turn our target on, the on and off button is down here. So we turn it on like so, flip on the toggle switch right here. So that's what we see when we turn on our digital flip target. These buttons represent the 3 game modes that we have for our digital flip target. The 4th button right here is the start button. That is the button we push when we are ready to start any of the game modes. Okay, so you see that means it's on game mode number 1. So to go to the game mode number 2, press the button right here, just below it. So that's game mode number 2. I would also like to mention that the icon on the right side of the LCD also changes when you change your game mode. So if you choose game mode number 1, that's the icon right there. Game mode number 2. And to toggle game mode number 3, we push this button on the upper right. So that is the way to access all the 3 game modes. So again, to start any of the game modes, you just push the start button right here and start playing. So for any of the game modes right here, our NERF digital flip target right here also is designed for 2 players to play against each other. Press the button of that game mode twice in succession, like so. So if you want to play with a 2-player variant for the game mode number 1, all you have to do is press this button right here twice. And there you go. It means that another player can play with you, or this is a head-to-head mode. So you can do that with all the game modes. So let's say it's game mode number 2, you want 2-player, just press the button twice. And there you go. That goes the same with game mode number 3. There you go. Okay, so now we are ready to test game mode number 1. So for our test right here, we will just use the 1-player variant for each game mode. So for game mode number 1, this is called the flip out game. When we are on game mode number 1, when we press the start button, the target will give us 6 seconds to get ready. And then it will light up this circle right here with the NERF logo. And then we can proceed with the game. As for all our game modes, the numbers corresponding on the targets are their specific scores. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 points. It will be recognized on our LCD later. On this flip out game mode, after we hit all 5 targets, the circle right here, the bull's eye with the NERF logo, will light up. And we will have 15 seconds to hit this one to get the plus 100 points. So I'm now going to start the flip out game mode right now. Push the start button right here. That's the countdown, 6 seconds. And then it light up. What we do right now is we hit the 5 targets. There, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 15 seconds to hit the bullseye right here. So say we hit that one. Timer goes to 0 and it displays our score. That is game mode number 1. That is the flip out game mode. So on to game mode number 2. Game mode number 2 is the reverse flip game mode. All our targets are on the outside instead of being right here on the inside of our digital flip target. That one you have to set manually before going into the game mode number 2. So on game mode number 2, same concept. All of them has the numerical scores. Once we have hit all 5 targets, we will have 15 seconds to hit the NERF bullseye on the middle right there. Okay, so start the game mode now. So we have to hit the bullseye right here. And there we go. Perfect score, 250 points. So now we go to game mode number 3. So game mode number 3 is called the ultimate flip game mode. So in this game mode, we have a total of 1 minute to hit all 5 targets right there. But the trick is we have to hit them in numerical order. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, we have to hit them in that order or the game will end. So if we hit randomly and not in numerical order, the game will end, and that would be the end of that session. Okay, but here we have a chance to get more points, since if we have, let's say we hit one target right there, let's say we hit number 10, the bullseye nerf target on the middle will flash, and we will have a 5-second window to hit it to get that extra 100 points. So we can continuously do that as we hit all 5 targets. So remember, we have to hit them in succession in numerical order or the game will end. As a bonus, when we are successful in hitting all targets on the 5 sequences that we can do it, we will enter the bonus round, in which we will have 30 seconds to hit the Nerf bullseye 3 times more for even more points. So that's 30 seconds after we hit all 5 targets in numerical order. Okay, so let's check out how the ultimate flip game mode works. So we have chosen the game mode number 3. We will now push the start button. Countdown right there. 3, 2, 1, and flash. See, we hit number 10. 5 seconds to hit the nerf. There we go. 20. 5 seconds to hit the nerf. 30. 5 seconds to hit the nerf. 40. 5 seconds. 50. 5 seconds. So now we have 30 seconds on the clock, right? So we can hit the nerf target 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Timer ended, and we have a total score of 950 points. So that is the ultimate flip game mode number 3. We can now test and use one of our Nerf guns to practice targeting our Nerf digital flip target right here. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our quick unboxing and review of the NERF digital flip target right here. It was a real blast going through the 3 modes that the NERF digital flip target offers us. Of course, the 3 game modes are the flip out game mode, reverse flip game mode, and the ultimate flip game mode. So I hope you like what we did with our new target right here. So we will use this one to review our future NERF guns on Abners Reviews. So if you have comments or inquiries, please put them down below. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our NERF reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.